Hello NEET aspirants. Today we are here to discuss about something very serious about MTG's 37 years NEET Solutions book. Due to its popularity, many fake copies of this book are being sold in the market. That's why in this video we will show you how to check if this book you have is authentic or not. On the front page, you can see there's a holographic sticker through which you can identify the book's authenticity. But because it can be difficult to read it, we have also provided a transparency code at the back of the book, like this. You simply have to download this transparency app by Amazon Mobile LLC from Google Play Store. Open the app and scan this QR code, which states its authenticity. If you are not directed to this page, then return this book immediately from wherever you purchased it and report the sellers. Hope this video helps you. Keep following MTG for more such updates, recommendations and tips.